Ever wonder kung bakit mas mahal ang mga rebranded phones dito sa Pilipinas? Like itong classic example, si GT Neo 6 na mabibili mo for roughly 20 to 21,000 pesos sa Lazada. It's exactly the same sa GT6, less if telephoto lens. Si GT6 mabibili mo 34,999 ang kanyang SRP. So bakit siya meron 15,000 pesos na price difference, or mathematically it's a 75% increase ng price over the China variant? Ganun nga ba kamahal talaga ang tax dito sa Pilipinas? Or are there other factors that comes into play? Ako, graduate ako ng Mechanical Engineering and nagtapos din ako ng Masters in Business Administration, or tawag nilang MBA. Susubukan natin himayin ang costing ng Realme GT6, so don't you go away. So today guys, pag-uusapan na natin kung bakit mas mahal ang local variant ng isang phone na nire-brand lang. Let's take for example, siguro one of the best example na pwede natin gamitin right now is the Realme GT6. And yung kanyang China counterpart is the GT Neo 6. So parehong-pareho ang specs ng phone na ito, except that si Realme GT Neo 6 has no telephoto lens but everything else is the same. But makita mo, mapapansin nyo, bakit ang layo ng kanilang presyo? Now, i-breakdown natin simply what are the causes kung bakit naging mahal ang GT6 versus the GT Neo 6 na it's exactly the same banana. Except that may telephoto lens na siya. Would it cost that much difference? Kasi mabibili mo sa Lazada, ito pakita natin, no? Si Realme GT Neo 6, mabibili mo siya for roughly less than 21,000 pesos. Samantala, pag bumili ka naman ng official na GT6, ang kanyang original SRP is 34,999, no? So, that's 35,000 pesos. Early bird sale pa rin siya until now na 29,999 or 29,849 as of press time. So, makita natin, no, na medyo malayo ang presyo. Are you willing to shell out 14,000 more just for isang telephoto lens? I think hindi. But, of course, nagpo-promote naman tayo ng buy local para syempre may warranty ka, mas peace of mind ka, and plus sabi ng ibang mga tech vloggers na para mabigyan ng kabuhayan ng mga ibang kababayan natin, mga promodizer, mga stores, and whatnot. So, let's just simply break it down. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea, no, kung paano naka-arrive sa ganitong presyo si Realme here in the Philippines. So, okay, let's just say, so tingnan na natin official website ni Realme in China. So, kita natin si Realme GT Neo 6 has a price of 20,099 na RMB in China nung unang labas niya. Pero right now, naka-sale sa 1899, okay? So, let's take for example yung 1899 yung price point. And let's just simply convert it to the exact peso value niya. Okay? So, change lang natin ang currency natin. Okay? Okay, so 1899. So, convert lang natin. We'll see na yung ano niya, no? Currently, yung cost ng isang Realme phone, if you buy it in China, no, would cost you around mga 15,300 pesos. Okay? So, sa lagay na yon, kumita na yung seller, no, ng roughly mga less than 6,000 pesos. No? So, syempre, you have to think na nagbayad ng tax yan, nagbayad ng shipping yan, eh kaya lang nila magbayad ng bayad nila kay Shopee or kay Lazada. So, syempre, yung kita nila is not as much as you think. Pero kumita na sila sa lagay na yan. Now, let's just say example, okay? So, ang cost ng GT Neo 6, pag sa China ka bumili, is 15,300 pesos, okay? So before natin gawin tong formula na ito, just want to let you know na graduate ako ng Mechanical Engineering. I'm a licensed Mechanical Engineer and I took up my Masters in Business Administration. So I know the things sa mga costing, around sa business and sa engineering. Meron akong idea. So rest assured na at least meron tayong basihan dito sa mga computation natin, no? So just to give myself some credibility for doing some explanation like this. So, let's just say yung cost ng isang smartphone pagbenta ni Realme papunta sa Philippines, ang pinaka-benchmark ko lang naman is Xiaomi. Sabi ni CEO Legion ng Xiaomi, they thrive on 5%, no, ng kinikita nila sa Xiaomi. Okay? Sabihin natin si Realme, hindi niya kaya 5%. Just give them the benefit of the doubt na 15% ang kinikita niya. Okay? So, sa madaling salita, yung cost ng phone, okay, kapag binenta dito sa Pilipinas, i-less natin ng, sabihin natin modest na lang, 10%. Kumita ng 5% si Realme sa China bago na ibenta sa Realme Philippines. So, it's just 90% ng cost, no? So, ulitin natin. Okay, so 90% ng cost. So, this is roughly yung cost ng phone pagbenta ni Realme China papunta sa Realme Philippines. Now, there's a lot of factors. Sobrang daming factors, no? Let's just say, i-mention na natin, no? So, we have shipping, we have tax, we have yung ano natin, NTC. So, counted yan. So, we also have yung mga ICC or mga CE na certification. Meron pa nga battery certification pa nga. Yung nakita mong, yung parang nakita mong basurahan na naka-X, ano yan, battery certification yan. Okay. Then, what are the other things na kailangan mo i-consider? Yung employees. Okay, employees ng Philippines. Okay, let's just say, from CEO down to the promodizer. Lahat yan, along the way. Employees. Kailangan din yan ng bayad sa mga marketing. Di ba? Akala nyo mababa ang bayad niya sa mga artista like Kat Bernardo and sa mga favorite tech vloggers niya na todo nagpupush ng Realme GT6. Lahat yan bayad. Lahat yan, it involves money. Okay? So, we'll allocate some percentage dito, no? Just to give you a idea, okay, kung paano siya naka-arrive ng ganong kamahal. And of course, syempre, pag nag-live selling yan, may commission yan. Okay? May commission yan. Let's say si James Afante, kung nag-live sale yan, bagsak sale niya sa Realme, may 1% pa siya. Okay? So, more or less, here are the things na nakita ko na would add up sa cost ng GT6. So, let's just give them a, more or less a benchmarking lang, no? Para just to give you an idea. Okay? So, sabihin natin shipping, 10% ng cost. Yung tax, automatically na yan, 12% ng VAT. No question asked. NTC, sabihin natin, allocate natin 5%. Just for certification. ICC, CE, say another 5%. Hindi mura yung mga certificate na yan. Kala nyo mura? Hindi mura yan. Sa China kasi, China variant, wala mga ICC at CE yan. So, they save a lot, okay? So, sa battery, yung battery certification, I think, let's just give it a modest na 5%, okay? Sa employees, ito, hindi mura yan. Okay? From CEO down to everybody, let's just give it a 15%. Okay? Ano pa yan? Modest pa yan. Marketing. Aba, ito mabigat. Let's just say 20%. Kasi hindi murang ba na artista. Isang appearance lang ni Kat Bernardo, alam naman natin siguro magkano na yun. Okay? So what more? Todo campaign, todo push siya sa GT6. Commission, 1% yan for every Let's just forget about yung kinikita ni Shopee, ni Lazada, ni TikTok pang nakapagbenta sa platform nila. So, let's just simply add these things up. Okay? Gilan natin ang formula, no? Okay? So, ito, Times natin dito. So, kuha na natin yan, yung cost, no? So, all the way down, yan. Ito ang magiging breakdown. So, yung cost ng phone mo is 13,770. Shipping mo is 1,377. May tax ka pang na 1,600. NTC, ICC, battery, lahat halos 700 pesos ang babayaran mo dyan. Employees, okay, malaki rin, 2,100 nearly. Marketing, 2,800. Commission, 1% pag nakabenta si James Afante. And that 1% is hindi 1% ng that's 1%, ang mali ko dito is 1% ng sales yan nun 28,999 times 0.01, yun ang 1%. So that's roughly 290 pesos, no? Ang kinikita ni James Afante for every unit na GT6 sold. Okay? So let's sum it up para makita lang natin, no? So how much ang cost nito? So yan. Okay? So this is the real cost, no? Yung niya, more or less, just giving you a benchmark, no? Kung magkano nga ba talaga ang cost ng isang phone once it's landed here in the Philippines. Ang dami kasing cost na kailangan mong isipin. So, since ang presyo naman ng isang realme is 34,999, no, let's just forget about 34,999. Let's just think na it's 29,999, okay? Na early bird sale, okay? So, this one minus this one. So, roughly kumita pa ng 6,000 pesos per unit si Realme. That is, of course, syempre, para sa inyong warranty, para sa service center ninyo, and all the other costs na hindi nyo nakikita. Yun ang just giving you more or less kung bakit nagiging mahal ang isang smartphone when it comes to the Philippines. Now, as opposed naman sa Realme GT Neo 6 na mabibili mo ng 21,000 pesos. No? Now, I'm not saying na 100% you have to buy a China ROM phone. Kung kaya naman bumili ng local, why not? Diba? But with a cost this high, I'm not sure. I think kayo na siguro mag-judge. No? I'm just giving you an idea lang. Just educating you. Kasi ang dami nagtatanong sa akin kung bakit ang mahal ng isang phone, no? Yung China ROM versus global ROM na halos parehong-pareho naman ng specs, no? So, at least binigyan ko kayo ng idea, ng explanation dito sa aking channel, more or less just giving you a bird's eye view kung bakit naging ganito ang presyo nitong dalawa na ito. I hope it's very clear sa inyo kung ano nga ba nangyari, what are the possible causes, kung bakit sobrang mahal ng local, bakit ang mura ng China. These are probably the reasons, no, behind yung pricing strategy na isang local phone versus sa isang China ROM phone. Now, if you're interested to buy si Realme GT6, I'll be linking on the description box below. But if you're also interested to buy the Realme GT Neo 6, I'll also post it on the description box below. And if you like this video, kung meron kayo natutunan, don't forget to share it to your friends. Any sub to this channel is definitely appreciated. And I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.